Hypothalamus artificial intelligence. Digital transformation powered by real-time autonomous and intelligent algorithms. Cordially welcomes you to its channel on YouTube, in which the subscribers will be able to keep updated about decision-making, artificial intelligence and digital transformation. This knowledge is useful for all professionals, since it will teach them methodologies, technologies, and solutions of what has been called the science of better. Get closer to this world of knowledge, really exciting. Multiples videos are available for those interested in highly complex mathematical modeling. HAI is a spin-off company born from the purchase of all the intellectual property of a Latin American company, technology-based, dedicated for more than 25 years to the development of methodologies and technologies of advanced artificial intelligence. This property joins that of the founder and chief scientific officer, engineer Jesus Maria Velasquez, who for 50 years has worked professionally as a researcher and entrepreneur of mathematical programming. HAI was created as a knowledge company in January 2021, in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, and begins formal operations in July 2022. The HAI intellectual property, it can be grouped into disruptive modeling methodologies, like the artificial brains. HAI is the creator of the concept of artificial entrepreneurial brains, which is supported by the development of parallel thinking, when a complex system must be analyzed. The artificial brains corresponds to the scientific foundations, more specifically mathematical fundamentals, that allow to connect multiple mathematical models, algorithms or robots, exchanging information between them to obtain a common goal, and act as holistic intelligence of the organizations, or parts therein. Like the human brain, the artificial brain is composed of the following artificial components: neocortex, hypothalamus, and hippocampus. This evolution may be summarized as the shift from artificial intelligence to augmented artificial intelligence. The artificial brains is the evolution of DSS under the Industry 4.0 revolution that is conceptualized as a set of mathematical models that exchange autonomously information between them, working online, using distributed optimization. When all the models that make up a company are solved using the concepts of real-time distributed optimization, an artificial hypothalamus is obtained. This is how the human brain faces reality, using multiple models of reality, acting permanently in parallel, to make decisions. The algorithm that simulates the hypothalamus is assembled by Optex, the HAI's cognitive robot, using the models that traditionally make up a decision support system. The current state involves the integration of edge computing and cloud computing to implement highly complex mathematical models. HAI develops large-scale optimization algorithms to accelerate the solution of high-complexity mathematical problems, like GSDDP, GDDP, PDS and others. GDDP, PDS and MBD are part of the large-scale algorithms used by HAI. Optex. Mathematical modeling using cognitive robots is a new vision of mathematical programming. Optex, Optimization Expert System, the artificial intelligence produced by HAI, that manufactures decision-making artificial intelligence. Optex is an expert system focused on the design, implementation, startup, and maintenance of high-complexity mathematical programming. Optex is the new optimization platform. Its main general characteristics are: optimization information systems. The components of the model are stored in a database. Its management is organized, standardized and normalized. Large-scale optimization. It manages multi-problem optimization models to access the concepts that support the communication between robots using mathematical programming theories. Optimization expert system. Capture of the knowledge and the experience that store the mathematical components that work correctly, so that it is not necessary to rewrite them. Capture the knowledge of a series of models runs. This makes it easy to warm start all the problems of a mathematical model. Robotization. Optex writes programs free of errors in the optimization technology selected by the user. This means shorter development times. The changes to a model that works properly are implemented on the fly. Freedom. The Optex approach frees the algebraic formulation of the optimization technology. Easy, complex models. using large-scale technologies, or make filling templates, in Excel or Word. The goal of Optex is the best way to make software is to have and to do it. The HI approach is aimed to develop mathematical models using cognitive robots, that eliminates the tasks of computer programming, since the robots takes care of this process. This enhancement the mathematical modeling capacity of the professionals and produce error-free code. Making very large-scale models by the traditional way, using a computer programmer, it is an impossible way, because the programmer only can write a limited number of lines, of good source code per period. Maintaining these models can be more complicated than doing them, if more than one programmer intervenes in the process. Optex is capable of producing infinite lines, of perfect source code per period. Optex generates the large-scale algorithms required by the artificial hypothalamus. Highly complex mathematical models for end users. More than 100 mathematical complex decision support systems for end users, in almost all sectors of the economy. HI uses Optex to implement all its end-user mathematical modeling applications. HI Opchain is a collection of specialized algorithms, for optimize the value chain. The solutions cover multiple economic and industrial sectors. On LinkedIn you can obtain the videos related with mathematical models to end users, and the technical documentation about them. All mathematical models produced by HI are offered under two modalities, on-prem, on the client servers, and on demand, as mathematical models as a service, in a private or in a public cloud. High-level courses in decision-making artificial intelligence. Designed using the know-how accumulated for more than 50 years, solving complex engineering and business management problems. These courses are born from the need of companies to have personnel increasingly trained in technologies related to mathematical modeling that can solve complex problems, make predictive and informed decisions, and mainly, make optimal decisions that save time and money. The courses are tailored to the needs of companies, and take into account the profile of the professionals who take them, providing personalized agendas. Courses produced by an artificial intelligence, pre-recorded, that allow the participant to take them at the time that is most convenient for him. Dynamic courses, which through artificial intelligence are adjusted to the needs of companies. Live group conversations to clarify doubts. Lectures prepared by experts in the field, and certificate of participation. Through its YouTube channel, HI puts at the service of humanity the accumulated knowledge that has been capitalized in its intellectual property, as a form of paying their social debt, derived from the luck of being able to work in this scientific line. The new way of mathematics is directly related to the parallel thinking, and today it can be said that like paper-based math, sequential mathematics for single-processor computers, will be in the short term a dead language. As in the human brain, in the future only parallel mathematical thinking will be practical. The new analytics is autonomous, parallel, and distributed. Thank you for your attention. Albert Einstein thought that imagination is the highest form of research. Thank you for your attention.